Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about nouns. A noun is a part of speech. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Some examples of a noun could be a girl or boy. These are words that name people. Teacher, doctor, and fireman are also nouns. Nouns can also name places. For example, a playground or park is a place. A country names a place too. These are all nouns. There are many words to name the things around us. Anything you can touch, see, feel, or hold is a noun. Dog, table, flower, and clock are all nouns. Ideas are also nouns. These can be a little tricky because we can't feel or touch them. Even though we can't touch them, we can still name them. Happiness and love are also nouns. There are singular and plural nouns. A singular noun would be one dog. A plural noun would be many dogs. There are two types of nouns: common nouns, which are not specific, and also proper nouns, which have names. For example, this is a baby, and this is a baby. But these babies do not have proper names. For example, if the baby's name is Noah and the other baby's name is Holly, those are the proper nouns for each specific baby. We remember that these proper nouns are special because we capitalize the first letter. So that's the end of this presentation. Great job to everyone following along and learning all about nouns. In class, we are going to be doing a fun worksheet from EDU Buzz Kids to help practice our nouns, and then we will also play a game about nouns where the students will get to roll the dice and see the different nouns they land on. Thank you, and see you in class.